Hello there. Today I want to show you how AI agent in Kontent.ai works and what you can do with it. And to really demonstrate its speed, I have a fresh cup of coffee, so let's see what can we get done before my coffee gets cold. And let's actually start with the task that usually takes a lot of time, which is metadata creation. And we are going to tell the agents to create a new taxonomy group for us for articles and blog posts. We want something between 30 and 35 terms. And then in the following steps, we're going to apply those new terms and new taxonomies to our articles. So we can already see that the wheels are spinning and the agent is identifying what portion of our content are articles and blog posts, and it's searching for them and analyzing them to be able to create this taxonomy. So usually I would have to do that myself. I would have to go to each of my articles, each of my blog posts, and do a kind of audit. But this time the agent is doing that for me. Instead, I can enjoy my coffee. And we can see it is actually understanding the content of my content, context of my content, and it's going to propose the taxonomy for us. And we have our taxonomy now. So we can see that we have artificial intelligence with 3 categories, and we have this new taxonomy here. We have some key benefits. And let's apply that to our articles and blog posts. And what the agent is now going to do, it's going to check whether the content type article and blog post have that taxonomy added, and if not, it will create new version of that model. It will add that new taxonomy there, and it will then go and tag individual items. And it's even asking us for approval, so you can see that everything is safe, everything is under control. Yes, apply those. And it will now proceed and applies those tags as we discussed. Here we can see that it is actually updating the content type for us. I don't have to go to the content model and do that. It will do it for us. And now it can start tagging. And we can start seeing the results of our work. We can see that it successfully applied topic tags to our blog posts and articles, and what would otherwise take me at least a couple of hours was done in mere minutes. So I can still enjoy my warm coffee, and I can actually move to the next task. So let's the agent finish. It will also give us some key accomplishments, some summary. You can always tell the agent to not do that, but let's move to the next task. Okay, let's create a new chat and ask the agent what's the latest published article or blog post. And once we get this article, we're going to ask for some SEO recommendations. Okay, so we have the article. Give me SEO recommendations for this article. And let's again process the information and see what the agent will come up with. And we already have some recommendations. So we are missing meta description, we are missing title optimization, we can have a better URL structure. Awesome. So we have a lot of things. Great. So propose changes that can be implemented right away. And again, we'll let it cook for a while and we'll see. What you can see is that it's checking all the metadata, content type, and other things, what can be done. And yes, apply the proposed changes to this article only. And now again, we'll let this cook and see what it will do. So again, this is something that will usually take me a couple of hours, and I can do it in a matter of seconds or minutes. Essentially, the agent has all the capabilities to manipulate your content, manipulate your content type, and change it with the additional context. What we can also see that it has identified that the article is published. So it will create a new version for us, so we don't mess with the one that is published, and it will populate the changes for us. And it's also going to publish the changes, so it is now applied, and we can see the changes being implemented, and we have a summary what happened. It also gives a summary what's happened and when we can expect the changes. So again, a lot of work is saved for me. Now the final use case. I wanted to create language variants for this article. I don't want to do it in all languages that I have available. So create new language variants for this item, translate the content, and apply the SEO recommendations. Don't publish immediately, but schedule for tomorrow 8 a.m. And again, give it a bunch of tasks and see what happens. So it now identified that we have Spanish, German and Italian language variants. It's going to create those variants and it's going to translate them. And we can see that we've, in a matter of seconds, created 3 fully translated and SEO optimized language variants of our article. We can see a summary of what has changed, and we can see applied optimizations, and the agent is actually summarizing what all has been done, what we can expect. And the great part about the best part about this is that my coffee is still warm, and I've done a load of work in a very natural way by just having a conversation with an agent. And this is just an example of what you can do with agent. There are many, many more possibilities, and we can't wait to show you more.